Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and install the simple network management protocol as an optional feature on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. And then underneath System, scroll down near the bottom where it says Optional Features. And then select Add a Feature near the top. And you want to search for Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP. Check mark next to that. And you want to select the Add button. And give that a moment to install here. And you can see it's been added. You will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.